Come and talk to me. I really wanna meet you, girl. I really wanna know your name. Oh yeah, baby. You look so sexy. You really turn me on. Blow my mind every time I see your face, girl. You look so sexy. You really turn me on. Blow my
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the Royal Room. I'm going to start off my tutorial by priming my face. It is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. You guys bear with me because I am learning still how to edit and do voiceovers, and it'll only get better, I promise. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in on my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base in the color 01, which is just a white. And it may show up really bright on camera, but it does dry and it does get a little less bright. Side note, I'm still learning how to do my brows, so I don't really do them as of now because they'll look a hot mess. But comment below with some good beginner friendly tutorials, please. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in on my crease with the Ultimate Glam palette, and it is by BB in the color Royalty. Now I don't use brushes assigned like concealer brushes. I just use what works best for me, okay? And now I'm going to go ahead and do the outer corner of my eye with the box of crayon by the crayon case in the color Black. Now I did go ahead and use the purple on my crease later on because it's a little more pigmented and it looked really nice once I added it. Now this palette I got from my Ipsy. It's the Wander Beauty Wanderous Sea Escape, and I'm using the Coastal Blue color. Now it didn't pop as much as I wanted it to, so I went back and added the Inglot body pigment powder in the shade 199, which is a royal blue. So on my bottom lid line, I did use the baby blue in the box of crayon palette. And off camera, I did go ahead and add some e.l.f. eyeliner. It's just a black liner, so nothing special. And for my mascara, I doubled up. The first one I used is the Il Makiage Encore. It came in the Ipsy Glam Plus, the very first box. And the second one I used was the Man Eater by Tarte. And for my foundation, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cool Earth Stick Foundation. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that loveliness into my face. And I use the LA Girl concealer. Now I do not know how to completely contour my face yet, so I'm working on it. But to set my foundation, I did use the mineral powder by Kiss, and it's in the color RMP16. It's ebony. And for the apples on my cheeks, I did add a little bit of Sunkiss and Divine. It's in the Ultimate Glam palette by BB, just to give me a little color on my cheeks. And I added some lashes. Now I don't normally wear lashes, y'all. I almost poked my eyeball out. Now to line my lips, I'm using Blackism. It's a matte lipstick by Kiss. And then I went over it with the Jordania Cosmic Glow Holographic Lip Gloss. It's in the color Iridescent Purple. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my final look. And I'm going to be dropping some more content for you guys, blogs and vlogs. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share.